Italia Nidita Dusyani. Here I will interview foreign tourists who are studying at Ganesha University of Education. Let's go! Excuse me, can I interview you for a moment?
Yes, of course.
May I sit down?
Yeah.
Thank you. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Nitalia Nidita Dusyani. I am a student from Ganesha University of Education. I am working on an English assignment and I need to interview foreign tourist students studying at Ganesha University of Education. Would you be willing to be interviewed briefly by me?
Yes, of course. Nice to meet you.
Thank you. Just a few short questions about your experience in Bali. What's your name?
My name is Thibaut.
Chibo.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, your name is very cool. Chibo.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Germany and I live in France now because my mom is French.
Why did you choose to study at Ganesha University of Education?
Because I study Indonesian and English in France, and so I was looking to do an exchange semester in Indonesia, and I found Indonesia, and I wanted to try it.
What major did you take?
I studied, the major is Indonesian now. Yeah.
What experience have you gained while studying at Ganesha University of Education?
I learned to speak better Indonesian. Also, I met very nice people, and yeah, I discovered a lot of Bali.
Wow, it must have been very fun.
Yeah.
What's memorable activities have you experienced while studying here?
So I have very nice teachers, I have very nice classmates, and sometimes we go for lunch or do activities in the afternoon. And yeah, so I'm happy with the people I met.
Here in Bali, have you ever been to tourist spot?
Yeah, of course. I went to Canggu, to the Mont Batur. I also went to Medewi, and I also visited Lombok for 1 week.
Wow, very interesting. What is your favorite Balinese food?
Nasi campur. I really like nasi campur.
Nasi campur?
Yeah.
Wow. What are your hopes for the future after completing studies at Ganesha University of Education?
So first I will go back to France and I will work, and then I will start a master degree in event management. I hope that I will get the master that I want, and then maybe one day I want to work in Indonesia with like event management with Indonesian language and use the experience here to work there. Okay.
I hope all your hopes can be achieved.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for sharing your stories and experience. Nice to meet you.